Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm in the studio where we just had Winterfest 2025 this past weekend. I have a box that was supposed to have arrived for Winterfest 2025 that didn't get here till Monday, but I'm opening it on Wednesday because we were just beat on Monday, had things to do, and then Tuesday we had a road trip that was already planned, and I didn't have the time to do this. Yes, we are beat, and to top it off, Darren has been working overtime with his regular job, so we are a little behind getting items up on the Winterfest website. However, we are planning 2026, Winterfest 2026. All right. Nice boxes. Love that. Because mine got dinged, but the inside is not dinged. These are like double thick. I really do appreciate that. It comes in the new tote bags. It's just a tote bag like any other. My doll, my doll, my doll. We bought her to help announce next year's theme for Winterfest. She is Cruel to Be Kind. She has the most beautiful galaxy-like eyes. We're gonna name her Galaxy because the theme is going to be space. Anything space, Star Wars, Star Trek, anything, Galaxy. So this box you also get with a Smart Doll. Oh, Darren got me extra. I finally got a set of hands. Darren has offered these before, and I'm like, no. But I mentioned that, I would like to have a set of hands. So thank you, Darren. This is the telescoping stand that comes with your Smart Doll. And there's also a care card in here. Some of it is comical. And this is the cutesy wig. This is a cute doll. I wasn't gonna get her. I wanted her when she hit the market, and Darren kept saying, if you want her, I'm like, no, I'm not getting another Smart. I don't know why I even say those words.
Resistance is futile.
I'm not getting another Smart Doll. Well, I guess I am. All right, let me see about her wig. Oh, she's so cute. She and Moon is made of cheese, and my two little three-eyed alien girls. I have one here, and where's my other girl? I think she's dressed different. We're sitting right here in the black dress, are gonna kind of be focus dolls for next year's Winterfest because space. Here is Cruel to Be Kind, or now Galaxy. Isn't she cute? Holly's Dolly Hobby has her in pigtails on her channel, and she is so cute. Danny shows her like that on the Culture Japan site, and I'm pretty sure mine's gonna be wearing some sort of hairstyle. This is the outfit I had made for her for Winterfest to announce the upcoming galaxy or space theme, but I'll tell you, I think it looks so cute on my cyber shell that she's gonna wear it for a while, but we made her little sandals to match. It's just a little skirt from outer space. It shows what you might see out there and what you might not. I hear it's actually just dark. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Also, we have started working on Winterfest 2026. We will be adding more updates to our website at lovingmysmartdoll.com. And we have not forgotten to get the prizes out to the winners of all of our contests. We are just under the gun right now.